in the fourth generation, in order to overcome the drawback of the Cisc, so they have implemented the Risc architecture. The full form of Risc is reduced instruction set computer. See here, the name itself indicates reduced instruction set computer. But one more advantage of Cisc is, see, before Risc, the advantage of Cisc is Cisc does not have much more number of instructions, though the instructions are very complicated. So here more addressing modes. Okay. The advantage of Cisc is, though the instructions are very complicated, but for writing the same program in Cisc and Risc, okay, Cisc takes less number of instructions for writing any program compared to Risc. That is the advantage of Risc. Okay. Now, okay, we'll discuss later the differences. Now we are moving to the Risc. Risc means reduced instruction set computer. Reduced instruction. In the name itself, it indicates the instruction complexity is reduced. That means in a Risc instruction set, a learner with minimum knowledge in English can easily, with minimum knowledge in English and mathematics, that means if he passed 10th class, okay, that is sufficient. Or if he belongs to some 8th class and 9th class, that's also sufficient in order to learn the Risc architecture. Because here the instructions are very, very easy. Like they will be like ADD, that is used to addition, perform addition. For performing subtraction, the instruction will be SUB. For performing multiplication, the instruction used to be MUL, first 3 letters. For performing the division, it will be DIV, first 3 letters. That means a user, a learner who don't have any knowledge can easily learn this instruction even on his own without any help of the others. So the instructions are very easy to learn, and each instruction is takes the same amount of clock cycles. That means each instruction is of same size. Each instruction is of same size. That means each is having same amount of stages. Whether it may have 3 stages or 4 stages or 5 stages, whatever it may be, all the instructions that are present in that particular Risc instruction, they are of equal stages. For example, if you consider MPMC 8086 microprocessor, so that's what you are going to discuss in the next session. MPMC, microprocessor and microcontrollers. 8086 microprocessor has 3-stage pipelining. 3-stage pipelining. Whatever the instruction you write, okay, every instruction is going to undergo those 3 stages only: fetching, decoding, and execution. There won't be 1 stage for particular instruction, and there won't be 3 stages for other instruction, and 5 stages for some other instruction, just like in Cisc. That is not present in the Risc. Whatever the instruction may be, all the instructions are having same amount of what you will call cycles. That means they are of equal length. Simply to say, all the instructions is of equal length, so that you can perform this particular operation. What is the operation you can perform? You can perform this pipelining. Okay, because each are having same length, you can perform the pipelining, which in turn increases the speed of the operation. So that is the advantage of Risc. And the instructions, so the instructions are very simple in Risc. Next, each are of same length, so that you can perform, you can use pipelining concept in the Risc, and they are easily, user can learn them very easily. But the major drawback of Risc is, see, that's what I have told previously. In order to write a program, okay, if you write that particular program in Risc and Cisc, the number of instructions that are required will be less when you opt for Cisc rather than the Risc. That means when you opt Cisc technology, complex instruction set computers, you can develop a program in 10 steps. But if you want to develop that same program by using Risc instruction set, it may take some 15 or 17, sometimes even 20 instructions also. Though the instructions are very simple, but The disadvantage of Risc compared to Cisc is it will take much number of instructions for developing a same program. Okay, so that is the major